guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of KhanFlicks. Today we're looking at the all-new Dreame H12 Pro FlexReach. Now, interesting thing about this is the fact that it features a FlexReach. So in other words, it can go ahead and bend at 180 degrees, giving you full capability to go ahead and mop as well as clean just about anywhere. Now, it also features 18,000 PA suction power, edge-to-edge cleaning, as well as 194 degree Fahrenheit hot air cleaning when you are done using it. Now, I went ahead and set this up a while ago, and I have to say it does great over different surfaces. Now, I have a lot of different surfaces throughout this house, from hardwood to tiles to laminate flooring. There's so much to clean, and it's always kind of difficult, especially when it comes to stairs or tight corners with a robotic vacuum. That particular is where this vacuum shines. On the front side here is a brush that will actually rotate. Now, it features a brushless motor that rotates at 480 RPMs. And as it's rotating, it'll give you edge-to-edge cleaning with this particular long brush. Now, the unique kicker behind it is that it actually replenishes itself with fresh water. So on the top portion here, there is a water container compartment, and that'll actually cycle the water into this dirty water reservoir. Now, once you're done, once it's fully done, it'll go ahead and notify you to go ahead and empty this compartment out, and then you should go ahead and redo that whole cycle again. On the front side of the brush, there's also a little blade. That blade is designed to be an anti-tangle technology to go ahead and cut up any hair, as well as kind of essentially pushing away any kind of debris. Now, it comes in a relatively nice sized box, and inside that particular box contains a variety of different accessories. They do give you an extra brush, which is really nice, a physical cleaning brush to go ahead and clean out the pipes as needed, and also an additional filter. Now, setting it up was relatively quick and easy, and I have to say it was a matter of seconds before it was ready to use. So this is how you set it up. On the top side here is going to be our freshwater reservoir. Let's go ahead and lift it up to take it out, but you can see right over here exactly what's happening. Now, this is 780 ml container size of water that you can add to this. But to keep that in mind, you do have to add 10 ml of detergent each time you go ahead and do this. Now, the particular unit does come with a sample container of detergent at 500 ml, giving you about 50 washes or so. Now, what they'd recommend is go ahead and add some water and then add the detergent and then kind of go ahead and switch it around to make sure that it does get mixed up well. Once you're done with that, just go ahead and put it back in here and it'll go ahead and clip just like that. Now, from there, you can go ahead and hit the power button on the top, and then it'll go ahead and have a voice command giving you different modes. You have an automatic mode, you have a turbo mode, quiet mode. Now, these are all different based on what you're trying to do. It features its own dirt sensor. That's right, so as you go over different dirt or different essentially spills, it'll go ahead and indicate red, giving you more suction and more water to go ahead and clean, and then green for light cleaning as needed. And then suction is more particularly for those tougher stains. To go ahead and test our cleaning capability, I went ahead and spilled both ketchup as well as milk. This will go ahead and give us a better idea exactly how well it can go ahead and handle stains. And just like that, you can see exactly how well it was able to do it. Definitely was well impressed by this. It literally would require only one sweep to go ahead and clean it, which I have to say is definitely an A in my book. Then after that, it'll go ahead and notify you once it's out of fresh water. To go ahead and remove that, let's go ahead and lift this lid up, and this will go ahead and separate from the particular unit. On the top side here, you'll see a filter, which it does come with an extra one, as well as this little handle. Go ahead and lift that up, and we'll go ahead and separate all the dirt on the top versus all the water on the bottom. So you don't really have to worry about it kind of draining into your particular container. And then just go ahead and close it back up once you're done. So you see that I already kind of used it there, but it kind of shows you exactly how much dirt it does collect. Another thing to note is that the pipes do get dirty, but this does have its own self-cleaning station, in which what you do is you can go ahead and place that on there once you're ready to use it.
Starting self-cleaning. Press the self-cleaning button within 3 seconds to start super speed drying mode. Starting self-cleaning.
Now, in terms of the hot air drying, it features two different modes. The first one is a daily clean plus 85 degrees Celsius with a 30-minute high-speed drying. And the second one being a deep clean at 90 degrees Celsius with a 5-minute super speed drying. This goes ahead and prevents odors, bacterial growth, and thereby making your brush resistant to the winter weather as well as rainy seasons. So this is essentially a deep clean master. So the heater on the base will heat and blow wind, allowing the brush to dry while rotating to go ahead and remove grime. So you don't have to go ahead and manually scrub it, and it is literally effortless with simply a click of a button.
Self-cleaning complete. Super speed drying. Lasts about 5 minutes.
Clean the side area more versus another, it does that automatically based off its detection system. To go ahead and test the edge-to-edge cleaning, you can see in tight spots like this, showing you exactly how well it does that. You don't have to worry about kind of maneuvering it, as it actually does cover the full base, making it significantly easy. Also like the fact that the automatic mode doesn't use much water compared to like the turbo mode, so you do get more cleaning capability. So let's go ahead and try it out. Now, as I was using it, I have to say it was really fun because one thing to note is that it actually kind of pulls you along. So as you're using it, it'll go ahead and kind of tug you and kind of, essentially with the spinning, it's got that own motor in there. It'll go ahead and push you as it's going, making it a lot more easier to clean. Now it features a 180-degree live flat reach, so you can go and clean under sofas, tables, things like that with ease. And then it also features the Tangle Cut technology for zero hair residue, which is essentially that blade that is in the particular brush, making sure that no hair does get caught up within the system. Lastly, it features that solid liquid separation. I like that because it goes ahead and separates the dirt from the water, so I don't have to worry about dirt getting into my particular sink when I'm dumping the water. My only complaint about this particular vacuum is how fast it runs out. Now, it features a battery life about 15 minutes. But depending on how you use it, of course, makes a big difference. So when you're using it, I noticed that the water will run out a lot quicker, and that's probably because the particular tank size is only 780 mLs. And that's my fault partially because when I start cleaning with this, I want to go and clean the whole entire floor rather than just doing spot cleaning. This is great for day-to-day use, and I have to say I do see myself using this quite so often. Which is the 18,000 PA, which is equivalent to some of the more higher-end robotic vacuums we reviewed in the past. So you get all that suction power at a hand-controlled device. I do like it a lot because I have a lot of different surfaces in my house, and it can go and automatically adjust based off of those needs. Again, my only complaint would be how fast it runs out. The other thing that I did notice is that when I do empty out this particular container, I can see some debris in the piping. It does come with a physical brush for you to go and clean that, so just keep that in mind. Now, comparing it to, say, a standard mop, it definitely is a huge difference. Traditionally speaking, most mops will use a lot more water to go ahead and clean. This guy here only uses such a small amount of water, but again, does it in a much more precise way. It doesn't leave any streaks, and if they are, they're very, very minimal. And there you guys have it. This here is the Dreame H12 Pro FlexReach. Hands down a great addition to any household. And with that said, if you guys have any questions, comment down below. And if you guys wanted your very own, once again, check out the link below. And with that said, we'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.